The state of Tamil Nadu is contributing a significant 8.8% of contribution to nation's GDP, standing as a powerhouse of India's economy. And this state, standing as the second largest economy in the country, is significantly contributed by the real estate sector. The sector is contributing around 11.2% to the state's GDP, and it is the second most employment generating sector of the country, next only to agriculture. So apart from GDP contribution, the sector is showing 5% growth year on year, with urbanization and development of smart cities driving the demand. As any other field in terms of complaints of corruption and fraudulence, yet one must remember that years of development have brought in greatest reforms over time. To name the Registration Act and Land Revenue Codes, Transfer of Property Act, Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act, and ultimately the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act of 2016 that stands to be a great initiative for the protection of rights of buyers, sellers and other agents involved in real estate. And with this, rising challenges and complaints of urban congestion, delay of projects, regulatory complexities, inflation, corruption charges, etc. are impacting the leaping growth of real estate development. The Confederation of Real Estate Developers Association of India, CREDAI, acts as the apex body for real estate industry of India. CREDAI is dedicated to foster stronger collaboration with government agencies, advocating for policy support and sustainable growth by streamlining regulatory issues. With this, better regulation, inclusive stakeholders-based approach and reduced staff crunch in the regulatory authority and improved collaboration with the government is all that we expect in the upcoming days for better development, ensuring the vision of real estate rising, Bharat soaring, which will aid India to attain 30 trillion economy by 2047. Thank you.